Today we're doing the oil change on the F85. It's really pretty simple. You're gonna need a Torx 50, I believe. I recommend ordering the oil filter tool because it's gonna make your life easier. It's only like 50 bucks. I'm using this oil filter kit. It's gonna have the gasket that you're gonna need. And this is the oil we're gonna be using. I've been having some issues with it burning excessive oil. Well, it's still within factory specs, but it's just a little more than my liking, so we're going up to the 5W40. This is the same oil that I use in my twin turbo Gallardo. Seems to work pretty well on that, so it should do well on this as well. Oil drain plug's right here. Like I said, it's a 50 Torx. And the oil filter's over here. Make sure you change out the copper O-ring. The kit comes with a new one, old one. The oil filter adapter, it's a 1/2 inch, so you're either gonna need a 1/2 inch wrench or a 1/2 inch adapter to step up. Old filter just pops right out, new one pops right in. Gonna be pretty obvious which way it goes, because this has to connect to that. Make sure you clean all the excess oil out of here, and don't forget to change the O-ring with the new one. Make sure this clicks into place. You should hear a click. It shouldn't be crooked or anything else. The car's capacity is 9.5 liters or 10 liters with oil filter. This drained out pretty well, so I was able to get 9.5 liters back in, and that put it up at full.